Rainbow of Sounds Music School kepada nak senang Maubri Riboy District kepada perlong sisim citayo hak sisa jan Little Flower Higher Secondary School Maubri kedon bunjai kirukom hikai hak liang ka tem kaput bat karwai ke siau. Keyboard, gitar, western vocal, Indian classical vocal, kasi instruments bat kasi vocal. Kikana akibahan news nem senang kila banwan pentebit hak neg music school bat amdan jinge nagam tagi belarang baru banwan pentebit hak neg music school.
Hanya wasiat.
Kita bisa syuting ila ai yang ini gini. Kani gede gebangim lah, lam dah sungu berpau yang bisa syuting bal.
Daga jing ang nut ban kentiu ya gi kamrep kamriang hapo ka Them Riboy District. Bada ka jing temu ban kentiu ya garep sotrun dag ba penon kam dagor kompetlang jong gejuk thamai ki bamenta ban laj na ka jing pot bat ka jing do. U Menteri Rangba jong jela kunrat kongkal sangma mandag singi ulawan poi ha ka senang Dihar Riboy District nak bentaban pelipat ba ya ka jaka panlang ya ki sotrun bat kum juru kiwi-kiwi ki marep ban calan se kiwi pat ki jaka kentup de ban calan sabar jong geri dak baot bat song ha kom ka badai ya kene ki jaka ban panlang ya ki marep bat ban sena ya ki babunjat ki jingbam ki bami na kene ka than latip kum ka prime hub lane ka promotion and incubation of market driven enterprises ya ka balabay tengka dak MBMA MLA MP Aifan ka bakat hadu shiklur 100% lak tengka hagning ngasngi na lor jong Menteri Rangba ka Sarkar Jela balawan poi kum kongsan ban pli ya ka prime hub ha Dihar lai don lang kinong mikmat pai ba jong sning constituency ki bakanthop yo MLA Dr. Celestine Lengdo bat EMDC ikong Magdalene Sauk Memolong nang tau Deputy Commissioner ke district Usri Arpit Upadaya IAS ba Romel Lengdo di orang Basinong ke Senong Dihar lambat giwe-giwe ha ka jingilang ke balapan long hakini kesengi u MLA kathanyu Dr. Celestine Lengdo ulong bana lor jong sotrun kidang don sibun ba ki marep ki bagani kathany kadon namar kumba kalong hi ki briu ki basa hakini district ki di BM ha karep karyang bat ka balalong ru namar ka khandau hakini district kalong ke basbo hadu kata-kata kumta ki nong rep ru ki lak bahaban permi ya ki marep ki babon ki ba kentup yo sotrun ubalanang sedang ban penlang hakini ki jaka nang taus ing ustansar usopan bat kiwe-kiwe dak bakentu yo Menteri Rangba jong jela benang penmang susu ya giwe-giwe ki jingirap nak benta ki nong rep haba jawab ya kene u Menteri Rangba ulong ban lor ke jing penmang ka baladon lupa ula kular ban pait kerpang yi nong rep ki badan hapo ka district kumalale hakiwe pat ki district jong jela
I'll just take a small video of ginger. Banana and ginger will be good. Because there will be products locally available in this district itself. Let me know. Has started focusing on certain products which we are producing well, but we are not able to market it, and hence we have decided to give a special focus on these kind of products, and pineapple happens to be one of those products. And as you're aware that we have already started marketing the pineapple to other parts of the world and the rest of the country also through a lot of marketing linkages, but at the same time the best way is to actually have value addition. And hence, if you can see here in the background, we have tied up with a company from Bangalore, and this is now being sliced out here. And after the slicing and all takes place, then we can see that it's been kept out here on this side. If you just pan this side on the right side, and then from here it is taken there in those freezers. You can pan out there in those freezers, and there in the freezers it's kept so that they are able to then package it and then transport it outside. So this is really a pilot project. We are hopeful that we will be able to do this for other products also. And I must congratulate all the stakeholders and our agencies who have come from other parts of the country also to be part of this program. And successfully, as I said, we have been able to take this. It's a trial run, and hopefully now we will learn from the shortcomings and we will be able to improve things. And I hope that in the future, the processing sector and the overall packaging sector will really grow in the days to come.